So a double crochet, let's learn how to do that. So say you have a foundation row, it might just be chains, it might be a single row of single crochet or whatever. So if you want to do a row of double crochet now, you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and you're going to chain 1 more, 3. And then you're going to turn your work, and into this same stitch here, the first stitch, you're going to yarn over, stick your hook through and pull up a loop. So you'll have 3 loops on your hook, then yarn over, and you're going to pull that yarn through 2 of the loops, like that. So you'll have 2 loops left on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull that yarn through those remaining 2 loops. That is a double crochet. So let's do that again. So yarn over into the next stitch, pull up a loop, so you have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over and pull that yarn through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the next 2. Let's do that again. Yarn over, pull up a loop. So just yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So we'll do that again. Yarn over, go into your stitch, make sure that you've got the front and the back loops. So just like that, and pull your yarn through, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you just continue along just like that. And say you want to do another row of double crochet. I'll just show you how to continue that. So once you get to the very end of your row, you'll do your final double crochet. So say you've made it to the end and you're going to continue continue a new row. So you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then turn your work. And then you see this first stitch here that's connected to your chain 3. You're going to skip that one because this chain 3 actually counts as your first double crochet. So you've kind of climbed up and you're doing that's your first double crochet. So you're going to yarn over and then go into the second stitch here. And just continue all the way across, then doing your double crochet. Just like that. So remember that your chain 3 always counts as your double crochet. And that's how you climb up to the next row. So I will just show you then how to continue that and make sure that your counting of your stitches is always correct as well. So if you're counting, then just keep going. Once you get to the end, you do your final double crochet, and then just like we did on this side, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work. Then you skip this first stitch, go into the second one and do your double crochet. And you're going to just continue that all the way to the very end of your work again, and I will just show you. Really, I'm just going fast here just so that I can get to the end of this quick sample row here, just so you can see and make sure that you're not skipping that final stitch, so that your work will be nice and straight on the sides. So in the previous row you did a chain 3 to start, right? So make sure that you go into the top of that one to complete the row above it, and that will give you a nice straight edge. So always remember that. So go into the chain 3, the top of that, and that is double crochet. Good job.